Hi everyone, it's Miss Janelle. I brought another story today. It's called Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Do you know Pete the Cat? He's one of my favorites. He's got a lot of silly books with a lot of fun songs. But today we're going to read one about missing cupcakes. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. Oh, there's Pete and Gus. They've got all their ingredients to make their cupcakes. They need milk, flour, their bowl, and they both have a spoon for stirring. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. Let's count them with them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They had 10 when they were done. Look how delicious those look. Which one's your favorite? I think I like the one with the heart wrapper. Looks good. Oh no! Hang on! Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again. Does it look like there's still 10 there? They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Let's see, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Oh, look, they're thinking about it. Where could those cupcakes have gone? Just then, they found a clue. Oh, do you see the clue? What do those look like? What do you put on cupcakes sometimes? Gus said, look what I found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles. So the first clue they found were some sprinkles on the ground. Squirrel said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee. Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. It wasn't Squirrel. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Oh, now Pete, Gus, and Squirrel are trying to solve the mystery. Just then, they found another clue. What do they see now? First was sprinkles. Now there are footprints on the ground. Pete said, I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat. Those footprints were green too. That's a good guess. Alligator said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. There were 6. How many now? We better count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? It wasn't squirrel. It wasn't alligator. They're all working to solve this mystery. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Oh, what does Pete have now? He found a ladder. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know Turtle loves sweets. I wonder if it was Turtle. Turtle said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Oh, look. Look super close. I think somebody is grabbing a cupcake. Who could it be? Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. How many do you think there'll be now? Oh no! What on earth is going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Who took all those cupcakes? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. Oh, here's all the clues. First were the sprinkles on the ground. Then were the footprints. And next was the ladder. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Oh, look at his lips. He looks like he has lipstick on, but it's frosting. Pete and Gus have solved the case. I'm sorry, it was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate until there were none. Do you think they were yummy if he ate all of them? I think so. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, but wait! Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. Oh, he made a mistake, but Pete told everybody, let's give him another chance. Because they first said, no party for you, Gus. But then they're going to give him another chance. He's happy. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Oh, look at all those cupcakes. Now everybody's happy. The end. Oh, so many yummy cupcakes. Yum. I've got a question for you. Do you remember what some of the clues were that Pete and Gus used to try to solve the case? Let me find the page to help. First was sprinkles on the ground. Then there were footprints. After the footprints, they saw the ladder. And do you remember what the very last clue was? Something on the face. Yeah, the frosting on the face. And whose face was it? Who took all the cupcakes? Was it Squirrel? Or was it Toad? It was Toad. There he is with the frosting on his face. Did his friends want him to come to the party? Not at first. But then Pete said, let's give him a chance. And what did he bring to the party? Did he bring cookies or cupcakes? He brought lots and lots of cupcakes for everyone. So fun. Thanks for reading this story with me. I'll see you again another day. Bye.